Hello everyone and welcome to Kanyiri Grows. It's good to have you here. Today I'm going to be doing more transplanting, and I planted this maybe like less than 2 weeks ago. As you can see, I was just trying out something quirky, and I used some hair rollers to do this sewing. So I sewed into this. If you want to have a look at how I did it in detail, you can just go into my shorts section and just watch one of those shorts that that has this hair roller in them. So as you can see, most of them have germinated very well, and it's time for them to be separated and to be transplanted into individual cells. So I'm particularly paying more attention to this. These are the Chard, Swiss Chard. These are the Chard, and I'm going to be transplanting them. As you can see, they're getting a bit longer, and it's time for them to be transplanted. I also have some mustard. These are mustard around here. These two lines here, those are the mustard, and these two lines are the Chard, which I'm going to be transplanting today. I had one line here of the black Tuscan kale, but as you can see, hasn't been very successful, and I'll just leave them there for the time being. I'm also going to be transplanting some aubergines. I sowed these aubergines on the 8th of February, and today is the 25th of February, and that is how much they have grown. So that's not bad, and I'm going to be transplanting this as well. And I'm sure you've noticed the sweet peppers, the bell peppers, have not germinated at all, despite being, oh, that's come off, but despite being sowed on the same date. The sweet peppers have not germinated at all, but sweet peppers do take some time, so I'm still being optimistic with that. I'm gonna fill it up with compost, guys, and this is the same compost that I used when I was sowing these seedlings. I'm going to dip this in the water like that. I'm going to start with the aubergine. I'll take the label first, put it right there. I love these little tools, they really do help me. So what I'm doing is just scooping out the compost with the seedlings. I'll scoop out like that. Next line, I'll put some beetroot instead of the what I had mentioned earlier, the spinach. I'll put the beetroot first, then I'll put the spinach. managed to transplant all the seedlings. So this row is for aubergines, this row is for beetroot. I have a row for the chard, 2 rows for the chard, sorry, and the last row I managed to put in some lettuce. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so, and turn on the notification bell so you can be able to be notified whenever I post a video. I truly appreciate, and until next time, thank you. Bye bye.